In July 2016, my family was given some of the worst news we could ever have received. My wife was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. I remember sitting in the surgical waiting room, wondering what was going to happen next. I realized that we, as professionals, we kind of had a plan, but we really didn't have a plan. And I decided to focus solely on helping people get ahead of this type of a problem. The Marine Corps trained us to not get emotional about decisions. What I do in my firm is we start with what goal the client has in mind. We then develop strategies to potentially achieve that goal, and then we develop tactics that accomplish those strategies. It's a rather military way of thinking, but that's how I was trained. And so my clients are getting the benefit of 20 years of tactical training and planning that can very quickly be translated over to the civilian world, to the business side, or even the estate side.
We're a mom and pop restaurant. We needed to create structure, and we never knew or had the insight of, hey, if you do want to grow, how do you protect yourself now so that later on you have to do all this catch up? We met AJ, he just blew us away on what we needed to do legally and also in our private lives to protect everyone and the business. AJ's not just here to collect a check, give us some legal advice and give us a call, and he's here within 15 minutes if we need him to be. He really is a partner with our company, not just our lawyer.
Thankfully, I've had a good career, successful, and I've worked hard, and there's some money to pass down to my son, and we decided it was time to update our documents. It had been a couple of years. AJ went over them with a fine-tooth comb, and in addition, the process was done in a thoughtful way. AJ's a great attorney, thorough, and I've been very pleased.
I want people to be a hero to their family. I want them to be a hero to their business. I want them to walk away happier than when they came in, and I want them to sleep better at night. We provide a service to clients. We're supposed to help. At Yolofsky Law, that's what we're focusing on. It's not just a number, it's not a document, it's giving people better lives.